Lovable transforms app creation by letting anyone build fully functional applications through simple conversation with AI, no coding required. Lovable brings revolutionary advantages to app development, completely transforming how creators bring their digital ideas to life, with groundbreaking benefits that traditional methods simply can't match. Unlike traditional development with its months-long marathons and expensive hiring processes, this platform eliminates these hurdles by offering a streamlined approach that saves both time and resources. Instant prototyping stands as the platform's standout feature, enabling creators to visualize their ideas within minutes and refine them whenever inspiration strikes. Lovable's accessibility breaks down barriers for both seasoned tech professionals and complete beginners who previously couldn't participate in app creation due to steep learning curves or technical limitations. With affordable plans starting at just $20 per month, anyone can transform simple sketches into fully functional digital applications without needing any coding knowledge. These budget-friendly options create a direct pathway to democratize development, putting professional-grade tools within reach of startups and individuals who were previously priced out of the market. Unlike many no-code solutions that trap users in proprietary systems, Lovable offers full ownership by letting creators export their code freely and maintain complete control over their intellectual property. No-code platforms like Lovable are spearheading a digital creation revolution powered by artificial intelligence, fundamentally transforming who can build software and how it's developed. Industry forecasts predict AI-assisted development will dramatically cut software production times in coming years, while these powerful tools are already democratizing access beyond professional programmers. With Lovable's intuitive interface, users simply chat about what they want, and their application transforms in real time as the technology handles all the complex coding invisibly. By eliminating barriers of complexity and cost while offering flexibility across different sectors, platforms like this one turn anyone into a potential innovator capable of creating meaningful technological solutions. Whether solving local community problems or launching global businesses becomes possible not because users mastered coding, but because these visionary tools handle the technical heavy lifting, keeping creativity where it belongs. Effortless creation transforms the app development landscape, allowing anyone with an idea to build fully functional applications without the technical hurdles that once made this process seem impossible. Before platforms like Lovable, aspiring creators faced daunting obstacles. They needed to master programming languages, understand complex back-end systems, and develop specialized technical skills just to bring their ideas to life. This AI-powered platform extends its capabilities to a diverse audience, empowering students crafting school projects, teachers developing educational tools, entrepreneurs launching businesses, and dreamers turning concepts into reality. The journey from concept to creation follows a remarkably simple path. Users describe what they want to build, the artificial intelligence interprets their vision, and within seconds, a functioning prototype appears ready for use. Each prototype generated by this innovative system contains all essential elements needed for a complete application, including intuitive user interfaces, structured databases, and seamless connections between different features. While traditional app development resembles scaling a mountain without equipment, this conversational approach eliminates coding entirely, representing a revolutionary shift that makes creation accessible to everyone with an inspired idea. Lovable's intuitive refinement approach branches into three powerful tools: an AI chat assistant that lets you edit through conversation, GitHub integration for technical users, and one-click deployment that publishes your app instantly. Through simple chat conversations, the AI assistant empowers users to request changes to color schemes, add exciting new features, and make real-time adjustments without needing any technical expertise. The platform brilliantly resolves the traditional tension between simple conversation and complex coding, allowing non-technical users to make changes effortlessly while still accommodating those who need advanced options. For users seeking deeper control, the GitHub integration links directly to advanced customization options, allowing developers to export code while still benefiting from the speed of AI-driven generation. With just a single click, users can deploy their finished apps, completely bypassing traditional headaches like hosting logistics and server management, making the public launch process remarkably simple. Lovable's versatile applications span across numerous domains, from e-commerce stores selling unique products to productivity tools managing tasks, subscription services catering to specific audiences, and specialized apps solving everyday problems. The platform's flexibility empowers creators to build solutions that address real needs across countless industries, connecting people with technology that truly serves them. Creators have developed an impressive array of specialized tools, including fitness trackers monitoring health goals, recipe organizers sharing culinary delights, community forums fostering passionate discussions, and travel planners coordinating adventures down to the smallest detail. By making technology accessible to everyone, Lovable breaks down technical bottlenecks that once limited innovation, allowing creativity to flourish in fields previously restricted by coding requirements. These subscription-based services function similarly to Netflix or Spotify, but are specifically tailored for niche communities with unique interests, demonstrating how the platform enables highly customized content delivery systems. Lovable offers a risk-free trial that lets curious builders test the waters before committing any resources to their projects. Eager users can explore the platform's intuitive workspace, browsing through app templates with the excitement of unlimited potential at their fingertips. The free access provided by Lovable enables hands-on experimentation, letting creators dive into building without financial pressure, just like taking a car for a test drive. This trial experience mirrors exactly what happens when you test drive a vehicle, giving you the chance to see if it perfectly fits your specific needs before making any commitment. In today's fast-paced world, powerful ideas, critical time-to-market factors, and approachable solutions combine to make innovation practical rather than theoretical. What might have remained a distant future goal becomes an immediate present opportunity, transforming tomorrow's dreams into today's achievable reality.